Crochet a cat beanie with me with leftover yarn.
Never gave me time to play, my dear. It's okay, things happen for reasons that I think are sure, yeah.